Nestled amidst the verdant hills of Tirumala, the Tirupati Balaji Temple stands as a beacon of faith for millions of Hindus across the globe. The temple, with its majestic architecture and serene surroundings, draws pilgrims from every corner of the world, each seeking a moment of divine connection and spiritual solace. This ancient temple, dedicated to Lord Venkateswara, is a testament to India's rich cultural and spiritual heritage. The intricate carvings and the grandeur of its structure speak volumes about the devotion and craftsmanship of the artisans who built it centuries ago. For centuries, devotees have embarked on arduous pilgrimages, seeking blessings and solace within its sacred walls. The journey to the temple, often undertaken on foot, is seen as a penance, a way to purify the soul and earn the deity's favor. The temple's sanctum sanctorum, where the deity resides, is a sight to behold. It is here that the divine presence of Lord Venkateswara is most strongly felt, and where the faithful gather to offer their prayers and seek his blessings. Adorned with gold and precious stones, the idol of Lord Venkateswara radiates an aura of divinity that captivates the heart and soul. The sight of the deity, resplendent in his adornments, fills the devotees with a sense of awe and reverence. The air hums with the chants of priests and the prayers of devotees, creating an atmosphere of profound spirituality. The rhythmic chanting, combined with the scent of incense and the glow of lamps, transports one to a realm of divine peace and tranquility. Tirupati is not just a temple, it is an embodiment of faith, a symbol of hope, and a testament to the enduring power of belief. It stands as a reminder of the unwavering devotion of millions who come here, year after year, seeking divine intervention and spiritual fulfillment. It is a place where the divine meets the mortal, where prayers are answered, and where hope is rekindled. The act of lighting a lamp or offering a prayer here is not just a ritual, it is a profound expression of faith and a plea for divine grace. However, recent events have cast a shadow over this sacred space, leaving devotees questioning and concerned. The controversies and issues that have arisen have shaken the faith of many, but the temple's enduring legacy and the unwavering devotion of its followers continue to shine through, offering hope and resilience in the face of adversity. A controversy has erupted, shaking the very foundation of trust that devotees place in the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams, the governing body responsible for the temple's administration. Allegations of financial mismanagement and corruption within the TTD have surfaced, raising serious concerns about the sanctity of this revered institution. At the heart of this controversy lies the iconic Tirupati Laddu, a sacred offering that holds immense religious significance for devotees. Concerns have been raised about the quality of ingredients used in its preparation, with allegations of adulteration and substandard products. This has sparked outrage among devotees, who see it as a betrayal of their faith and an insult to the deity. The allegations extend beyond the laddu, encompassing issues of transparency and accountability in the temple's financial dealings. Devotees have raised questions about the utilization of donations and the overall management of the temple's vast resources. This crisis of faith has left many feeling disillusioned and demanding answers. The temple, which has long been a symbol of spiritual solace and divine connection, now finds itself at the center of a storm of skepticism and doubt. For generations, the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams has been a beacon of hope and faith for millions. The temple's rituals, offerings, and the sacred laddu have been integral to the spiritual lives of countless devotees. The recent allegations have not only tarnished the temple's reputation, but have also cast a shadow over the religious practices that have been followed with unwavering devotion. As the investigation unfolds, the faithful are left grappling with a mix of emotions: anger, disappointment, and a desperate hope for the restoration of trust. The temple authorities have promised a thorough inquiry, assuring devotees that transparency and accountability will be upheld. However, the road to regaining the lost faith is long and arduous. In these trying times, the community's resilience and collective spirit will be crucial in navigating this crisis of faith and restoring the sanctity of the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams. In a bid to seek justice and restore the sanctity of the Tirupati Temple, a significant step has been taken by concerned citizens. A public interest litigation, commonly known as a PIL, has been filed in the Supreme Court of India, the highest judicial body in the country. The petitioner, a deeply concerned citizen, has made a heartfelt appeal for the apex court's intervention. They seek to address the serious allegations of mismanagement and corruption that have plagued the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams, or TTD, which manages the temple. One of the key demands outlined in the PIL is the appointment of a retired Supreme Court or High Court judge. This judge would be tasked with overseeing the temple's operations and ensuring that all activities are conducted with the utmost integrity. The petitioner argues that this step is crucial. They believe that only through the appointment of an impartial and experienced judge can a fair and thorough investigation be conducted into the allegations. This, they hope, will restore public trust in the institution. The presence of an independent authority, untainted by any potential bias or influence, is seen as essential. Such an authority would be instrumental in uncovering the truth and holding those responsible accountable for any wrongdoing. The petitioner contends that the TTD, despite its immense responsibility to uphold the sanctity of the temple and the faith of millions of devotees, has failed to address the serious concerns that have been raised over time. This failure, they argue, warrants the intervention of the highest court in the land. They believe that only through such intervention can justice be served and transparency be ensured in the management of one of the most revered temples in India. The Tirupati Laddu, far from being a mere culinary delight, holds profound religious significance for devotees. It is considered prasadam, a sacred offering blessed by the deity, and is believed to carry the divine grace of Lord Venkateswara. Receiving and consuming the laddu is an integral part of the pilgrimage experience for millions, signifying a connection with the divine. Each laddu is prepared following a traditional recipe, passed down through generations of temple cooks. The ingredients, the process, and even the shape and size of the laddu are steeped in religious symbolism. This sacred offering is not just a sweet, it is an embodiment of faith, a tangible representation of the devotee's devotion. The allegations of adulteration and substandard ingredients in the laddu have therefore struck at the very heart of the devotee's faith. It is seen as a desecration of something sacred, a betrayal of trust that has left many feeling deeply hurt and disillusioned.